Hey everyone, and welcome to this very quick TechNet video just showing you how to submit your coursework on Classroom. So I am on the Film Studies Classroom and I can see that we have a new assignment, NEA Final Submission, and you should be able to see the same assignment or a similar named assignment. So I'm gonna just click on that, and here we have the page for the final submission for your coursework. So your deadline is at 12 on Friday the 8th. So all you need to do is to add the export of your final film, that should be an MP4 file, or the PDFs of your screenplay and your storyboard. So that's two separate PDFs. So all you need to do is very simple. Just go here to your work and just click on add or create, and then just go to file. And now we're gonna go and find our files on our user area. So you should have saved your exported film or your PDFs on your user area. So make sure that you give it a recognizable name and that you know where you have saved those files. So I'm just gonna click on file, and then it's gonna give me this window. I'm just gonna click browse, and that will allow me to go onto my user area. So I'm just gonna click on new. So my files are just here on my user area. So you're either gonna drag your final short film, again that's an MP4 file, or your final PDF with your screenplay, as well as your PDF with your storyboard. So I'm gonna go with film. So I'm just gonna select that, press open, and now my file is here. Now all you need to do is press hand in. It's gonna ask you if you really want to hand in, make sure it's the right file, and then press hand in. And that's how you submit your coursework on Classroom.